बंद हो गया, लाइट ही बंद हो गया।
We'll do the group now.
उसका तो अलग ही चालू रहता है।
Oh, ma'am is here.
Anshita,
Somewhere here.
जनता को कुछ मिल ही नहीं रहा। जनता कुछ भी नहीं मिल रहा। ध्यान होता तो है मेरा। अरे अरे भाई साहब ऐसा मत कीजिए।
तो आपको ही देगा
लगाने का जहर।
All right, good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you so much for being here and being so lovely as always. My name is Nitin, and of course, it's an honor to be doing this in front of all you lovely people. Me is my niece, and she's great, and that's how I got the idea of making this film. My writers Abhishek and Ankur, we sat together. Baman was our help. I'm sorry that Baman is not here, Ian Glenn is not here, and Arvind is not here, and Nasser Saab, they're all abroad. So this journey started about 3.5 years back, and Andy, I'm so happy to see you are a colorist. So many people. Anil ji, thank you so much. बड़ा मुश्किल हो जाएगा। भावना, थैंक यू। अब भावना और कोमल सुपरस्टार थे, सबसे एंड में आए, आपके लिए वेट कर रहे थे। अच्छा, मुझे नहीं पता था, but thank you, you're here, your friends, you've been with us. So I don't know, you ask me a question, I'll answer that because there are too many things and we have so many things to show today. I will be able to be brief if you ask me a question.
somewhere or the other, you know, you've answered the question by saying कि stage पे चढ़ने से पहले वो theatre background है, because see every time we've done this, I don't know how many times.
Yes.
Every time you're like super calm, super cool. आज थोड़ा सा कुछ
Because आज 2-3 responsibilities हैं। एक I'm a director of the film.
Yes.
It took me 23 years to make a film because 23 years back when I made Om Jai Jagdish, it was not my story. And I was very excited that Vashuji had given me a film to direct, and now from an actor I've become a director. And then I thought one day I will make a film if it is from my heart. So 4 years back I was in Gurgaon attending my brother Raju's daughter's Vrinda's wedding, and everybody was dancing, having fun. And my 13-year-old niece at that time, now she's 17, Tanvi, who's autistic, she was standing on a corner and looking at the mountains. So I asked her, Tanvi, what are you looking at? She said, I'm looking at my world. And that statement shook me a little because she could not describe what her world is, and I could not understand what her world is. And that gave the seed to the film. And I wanted to do it in a musical manner. I wanted it to be larger than life. I wanted to have it epic quality. And I was very fortunate that I'm a great admirer of Kiravani sir, M.M. Karim sir, and I called him up because I wanted only him. In this film, I have only wanted people and always and only got them. So I, sir, and he was traveling to some place, and he said, okay, sunaiye, sunaiye. So I think I must have mentioned about 7 or 8 minutes, and he said, I'm doing the film. And just 2 days back, he had got an Oscar. We are so fortunate. We have 2 Oscar winners here. That's in itself is a richness. Then when I recorded the songs, Jackie once came home and I played the songs with him, and he said, wow, and both of us had moved togetherness, and Jackie became part of the film, and then Baman, and then of course Arvind Swamy, and I wanted Ian Glenn to play a role, and Karan I requested, I said, I want you. So I must say that all my actors, all major actors, because there was an incident that happened because my financier was to go on floor, and they said, जब पैसे होंगे दे देना, क्या फर्क पड़ता है? And that really is so good for a director, producer who is just trying to sort of tell a story which is very personal to me. Because this project is not that I wanted to make a film. And then of course, Mr. Thadani came and saw the film, and he called me at 1:30 in the night. He said few things which I don't. He's now, after he's said that he's taking the film, now he's very reserved, because he's like that principal जो student को बोलता है ऐसे ऐसे करना है, यहाँ से इधर करना है, यहाँ से इधर करना, which is very thankful, because thanks to him the film is looking the way it is. And then of course we now we have Excel Entertainment, and I'm so thrilled that Farhan Akhtar and Ritesh Sidwani are part of it. And then Mr. Rasool Pokoti, means the magician of sound. The difficult task was to cast Tanvi. And anyway, we have revealed that. For that, Kausar Munir has written some unbelievable songs. And one thing I must say that when we were having the New York premiere, so you asked me outside, why did you start from abroad?
Yeah, why not in India?
So I feel it's a film from India for the world. And that's what comes across. And my whole team of assistants, my music का बारे में बता दिया मैंने. There are 2 girls who are doing the debut for the first time. They have sung playback singing. Kruti is here, the choreographer, the legendary. She's young legend, not legendary. अभी बुलाने में time है, but she always makes me feel that she's legendary. And Bright के हमारे दोस्त हैं. थैंक यू सो मच सर. आपके बगैर तो पोस्टर ही नहीं लगते हैं. ये वाला हमने जैसे तैसे लगवा दिया, अब आप लगाएंगे तो और भी अच्छा होगा. या
So that's all about it, sir. Trailer देखेंगे, लेकिन उससे पहले.
So I thought, Kiravani sir, thank you very much for coming under the circumstances that you have come here. I really am deeply moved by you. But supposed to come yesterday morning because of some issue of your family. Father is not well, sir, and you still came. That shows your commitment to work and your friendship with me. I think Kiravani sir's father is very unwell, but he came. So I would like to invite the musical team. ये हमारे जो गाने हैं, they are going to sing live. I thought it will be because trailer में music गाने नहीं हैं. And thank you Z for taking our music. And so I wanted 2 new voices for Tanvi's. I said we must have something believable in terms of, because वरना लगता गाना सुनते ही आपको लगता है ये उसने गाया, which is brilliant, which is fantastic. But I thought let's sort of use. So sir ने जब हम rehearsal कर रहे थे, by the way, we did the music of the film 1 year before we started shooting. I knew this is how I want, and he made me listen to 2 tracks by 2 young ladies, and he said, "अब किससे गवाना है?" मैंने कहा इन्हीं से गवाना है. And because if you like something, and I run an acting school where I think I'm supposed to give chances to new people, and someday, 40 years back, Mahesh Bhatt and Rashri gave me a chance, and I'm standing here because of that chance. So, Gomti Iyer, and come. या मुझे सब पता है आपके बारे में, ऊपर आके बताते हैं. गोमती, thank you very much. Shagun. Shagun is a very dear friend's daughter, Mr. Sodi, who used to do background score for all the Neeraj Pandey films and so many other films. They have sung, and we have Gemini sir. Gemini sir, where is? Oh, there he is. Mr. Gemini sir is with, and Bharat, who is fondly called Pondi because he comes from Pondicherry. So Kareem sir has given him name Pondi. So Pondi, Bharat, please come. And then one and only, the world's most favorite.
सुबी बहाएं हैं और आज आपने फिर मुझे इमोशनल कर दिया. You will wonder कि why are the words सावधान, विश्राम, कर पड़े, but that's how an autistic mind thinks. That is how. I have my friend's son here, Adi. Adi, stand up and say hi to everybody.
Hi.
Yes.
Hi.
Adi is my late friend. Adi is also a great singer. Adi, come. You want to come on stage?
Yeah.
Yeah, Adi is coming. So Adi's mom. Adi, you like the song? The one, this song?
Yeah.
You like the song? The one the sir sang just now. Yeah, come up.
Phone. I'll leave the phone here. It's necessary.
Yeah, it's necessary.
My phone.
Samsung, it's of course.
Pallavi Joshi.
Yes. Pallavi ji.
हेलो
हाँ.
yes this is Adi here. Nowadays I don't watch soap opera TV serials because it affects my brains and eyes. It's a waste of time. I don't watch TV serials. TV serials like Colors, Star Plus, ZTV, Sony Television, those are very bad serials. Sarawak serial, rotten. Yes.
Only a person like him can say something like this.
Yes,
Because
yes.
an autistic
I
mind
only
does not
listen to
understand
music
manipulation.
and watch a good movies. Listen to good movies. I'm the big fan of Hrithik Roshan in Koi Mil Gaya Kaun Na Pyare Hai. I saw the last
Okay, now you
last
have
year.
to tell me the names of my characters of various
Okay, I'll tell you afterwards. After sometime. Last year I saw Koi Mil Gaya re-release. Then I saw Koi Mil Gaya. Then I saw Rehna Hai Tere Dil Mein. Then I saw Kal Ho Na Ho and Kaho Na Pyar Hai. Anupam Uncle and Rajesh Ichi appear both Kaho Na Pyar Hai and Rehna Hai Tere Dil Mein.
What was my name?
Prasad.
And Shola or Shabnam?
Major I am Lathi, Jal the Trap, Krishna Kant, Ulf Captain Rashid, R.K. Sharma. Hello. मैं आज के बाद मैं टीवी सीरियल्स नहीं देखता हूँ. I don't watch TV serials, soap opera on mobile TV, computer. It affects brain. सावधान India. Those are very violent. Sorry.
Okay, thank you. Before we go into another, but I'm very happy you have.
Ram Mehra character Wake Up Sid.
What was my name in Wake Up Sid?
Ram Mehra.
Ram Mehra.
Ram Mehra.
Yes.
And your character in Rajnath Singhania Rang De Vasanti.
Wow.
Chup Ke.
What was in Chup Chup Ke?
Chup Ke Jaivet Prasad.
Wow.
दिल में फिर से बोल रहा हूँ हजारी प्रसाद. और अब इसमें था उमर नरेटर में किया था. उमर अब मोहब्बत में था. 10 कहानियां दे ताली में था जिमी शेरगिल के साथ.
Thank you. So Adi is my very dear friend Sujata's son. Sujata and we were from struggling
Yes.
days. And Sujata is no more, unfortunately. But that's okay. And घूमने नहीं जाना है बाहर. दूसरे घर नहीं जाना है.
मैं दूसरे के घर नहीं जाता हूँ. Oshiwara, Tarapo Towers. I don't go to anyone's house in Tarapo Towers, Oshiwara, because now I'm not a small kid. I'm not a small बच्चा. I'm not a grown-up person. That is why I should not go. दूसरे के घर नहीं जाऊँगा. Oshiwara, Tarapo Towers, Mira Towers, Oshiwara. अपने खुद के घर पे रहने का. खुद का घर, the Park Luxury Residency. Yes. हाँ.
अभी गा लो, ये बड़ा अच्छा गाते हैं. चलो, कौन सा गाओगे?
करोगे ब्लूटूथ. नहीं ब्लूटूथ. Yes.
बिना उसके नहीं गा सकते.
नहीं.
अच्छा, sorry. So my niece Tanvi is exactly like him.
Yeah.
Adi, which song do you want to sing?
I will sing. You understood it's very important. I'm decided that time is very precious for me and everyone. Life is very precious. Life is a very big gift. Time is precious. Good, no? Life should always be good. Good, very good. Yes, yes. वो देखने में अली सफर करो के
वही वजह
Come here on this same segment. I love you, my guy.
love you.
So when Sujata, my friend, when she was in the hospital, just about 45 minutes before she passed away, she made a FaceTime call with me. I'll never forget that. And she said, Anupam, I think I'm going, but Adi का ख्याल रखना. तो आदि मुझे रात को सुबह दिन कभी भी फोन करता है, मैं उठाता हूँ ना. Okay, thank you. So I think it's very important. Now you'll understand the meaning of Tanvi the Great. How he is great. Okay.
I saw Sitare Zameen Par.
Very good.
Dangal, Rang De Basanti, Sitare Zameen Par, Amir Khan's movie.
हाँ, very good.
I'm
गाना
the big
गाओ,
fan
गाना. मेरी
हाँ.
मूवी की बात करो अभी.
Big fan. नहीं, I'm the big fan of Amir Khan.
Okay, very
Hrithik
good.
Roshan, both.
Right. Thank you for Adi, ladies and gentlemen. हाँ, बातचीत.
उसके बाद.
Okay.
You take care.
Okay, thank you.
Give it up for Adi, ladies and gentlemen. And Anupam sir, I will take center stage and I will thank you on behalf of everyone and जो भी इसको देख रहा है, एक experience, एक चीज, जब से हम अंदर आए हैं ना, this is out of the world. Thank
Ritesh has to go and he had something important to go, but I said your support has to be. How are you? Okay. He said that I will come and certainly thank you for your support. Thank you for excellent entertainments, amazing support. आप भी आ जाओ अनिल ताकि Anil hates to come on stage, but these are you see, to make a film like this is very difficult. But then when you get people like Anil and Ritesh and Farhan and excellent entertainment, at least you know that after seeing the film, they have decided to take it to the world. Thank you for doing that.
Thank you, actually. We're a little late to this party,
Yeah.
but it's an amazing film. And I think, sometimes, when they say that a film comes and chooses you, I think this is exactly that kind of a film. So I'm really glad. So in whatever way we can support it and contribute, but it's a really an amazing film. So I'm glad you chose us to be a part of it. Thank you so much. Really. I mean, all of you guys have done a great job. Really.
ये दोनों बोलने से कतराते हैं, आप भी बोल के फिर निकल जाओ.
Like, I'll be here till the end.
Okay, thank you.
But thank you for letting us be a part of your dream. We are really grateful for all this. And such talent here in this film, we are really honored to be a part of it.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
on stage. Yes. So please. Ritesh sir, of course. Anil sir, please be here with us. Jackie Shroff साहब के लिए जोरदार तालियां. I'd like to. I'll invite the cast on stage. Of course, we don't want to miss this moment. So please, Jackie Shroff साहब के लिए जोरदार तालियां. The ever so handsome, the ever so amazing. तालियां. जितना कहा जाए उतना कम है. So it's like, of course, we want you on this stage, sir. पल्लवी जी, of course, हर एक किरदार में एक अलग लेवल से जान डाल देते हैं. And ladies and gentlemen, the star of the moment, मतलब she's teary eyed जब से वो यहाँ बैठी हैं. I don't know क्या क्या चल रहा है. Give it up for Tanvi the Great. And of course the choreographer. आपने इतना कमाल किया है. I'll be inviting the HODs in some time, please.
Yeah, right, yeah. Dada, right.
Thank you so much. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. Ritesh sir, thank you so much for being here. Thank you so much. Karan sir would request you to stay back. Yes. Yes. No, we want you to be here, sir. अब जाने नहीं देने वाला हूँ मैं किसी को. MM Cream साहब, please, we want you on this stage. Anupam sir, I'll start with you quickly. You know, एक चीज जो शायद कहीं ना कहीं miss हो गई, and that is something.
But I spoke to his wife, Tiffany, and I said, Tiffany, would you like to come? And 2 hours before the premiere of New York was to start, Tiffany called up. He says, Bob is coming with me. Bob, I know that Robert is called Bob. So I said, Mr. De Niro is coming himself. I said, oh God, sab chaos tha. And then he said he's coming only for 15 minutes. It was very strange to sit next to him, me, Mr. De Niro, his wife, she. तो मैं देख रहा था लोग मुझे देख रहे हैं ना कि मैं इनके साथ बैठा हूँ। वो फैन मोमेंट जाता नहीं है ना कभी कभी, बिकॉज मैंने ड्रामा स्कूल में उनके ऊपर उनकी फिल्मों पे पहली 2 फिल्मों पे मैंने वो किया है, रिसर्च किया है, मेन स्ट्रीट एंड टैक्सी ड्राइवर. So he kept looking at me. He said, "Nice, your hair is very good bit big, etc." And then he loved the music. He said, and he stayed back till the interval, which is a big thing for me. But also when we went to Houston and other places, I think because the character is not treated like there is something wrong with her, she's treated really, because I genuinely believe people like Adi, my niece Tanvi, they are superpowers. Their ability to do certain things differently. Pallavi plays an autism expert in the film, and also her mother. The film is about goodness. I genuinely had not planned Adi to come on stage, but I just suddenly thought of Sujata, and I thought, genuinely, I had not thought, he will say, and actually he did not, you never know what he will say. So, but I think it gave you a glimpse of Tanvi's world. Today, unfortunately, goodness is only in people who do not understand manipulation. And that's what we need. I think we live in a world where we are constantly manipulating ourselves, other people. I think this film, with the help of Anil and Excel Entertainment and with everybody else. So my brief to my amazing HODs was, let's be good in this during the shooting of this film. And that's what we managed to do. And I'm so thankful to you, General Saab. जैसे ट्रेलर खत्म हुआ, आपने मेरे कान में बोला, fantastic. That really means a lot to me. You had an army, you're Lieutenant General in these days posted in Ambala, and we know each other, but yeah, so क्या बोलूँ मैं अब आपको.
Amazing, sir. Thank you so much. ये सब share करने के लिए. Jagu Dada, I'll come to you. You know, सबसे इतना सारा प्यार मिलता है यहाँ पे when you work with someone who's really close to you, और फिर इस प्रोजेक्ट पे जब आप आते हैं तो वो कैसा रहता है, पूरा माहौल क्या होने वाला हुआ, क्या हुआ, सब शुरू से अब तक बता दीजिए हमको.
वो ज़्यादा नहीं हुआ. आप सबको बहुत सादा प्रणाम, और अनुपम जी बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद कि आपने मुझे इस फिल्म में कास्ट किया. पहली बार जब मुझे उन्होंने बुलाया और गाना सुनाया तो शायद वहाँ पे आंसुओं की नदियाँ बह रही थी दोनों की. हम लोग ज़्यादा रोते, मैं तो रोता हूँ, मैं तकिए पे रोता हूँ, किसी के सामने रोता नहीं वैसे, मगर आपके सामने ज़रूर आंसू निकल गए. MM साहब, आपने बहुत खूबसूरत म्यूज़िक दिया है. It's a pleasure, it's an honor to be on the stage with such fantastic cast and crew. And Russell, there you are. सारे ऑस्कर के सामने सब बाजू में बैठ के एक फोटो भी लिया दोनों के बीच में. ये नहीं कि मैं एक्सपेक्ट कर रहा हूँ, मगर मेरा पौधा और आप दोनों का ऑस्कर बहुत भारी है. बाकी बोलने का कुछ नहीं. अनुपम जी ने बहुत प्यार से संभाला और बहुत कुछ सीखने को मिला भाई. कि एक्टिंग वैक्टिंग तो मैं कोई स्कूल से आया नहीं हूँ, मगर इनके साथ रहकर कई ऐसे छोटी छोटी बातें, ऐसे न्यूएंसेस जो इन्होंने बताया बड़ू, मैंने सोचा भी नहीं था कि मेरे को झाड़ के बारे में पूछेंगे तो मैं बता दूंगा, मगर एक्टिंग के बारे में अगर सीखना है तो अनुपम जी से सीखे. वो बहुत खूबसूरत एक्टर भी है, डायरेक्टर भी है, और ही इज अ मैन हु इज एब्सोल्युटली मेड अ brilliant film. It's soul cleansing, total soul cleansing, and I'm happy to be here. Thank you, Anupam ji.
Thank you so much, Jackie Shroff साहब के लिए तालियां. Of course, we'll quickly get the chairs now because I know आपके बड़े सारे सवाल हैं जो आप.
Can we get these people on stage? I think
We'll do it, sir, after the media Q&A.
अच्छा.
We'll quickly do
because
that.
मुझे guilty महसूस होता है because बहुत इन्होंने काम
तो
किया
हो जाए, सर।
रसूल प्लीज कम ऑन स्टेज
आपकी मर्जी, सर। All yours.
रॉड प्लीज कम ऑन स्टेज प्लीज कम ऑन स्टेज माय राइटर्स द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट पीपल इन दिस film are we will stand behind them, let them sit in the center over
Wow.
here, let them sit because they are the आइए ना no you have to come आप Rod will not speak but you sit in the center आप हमसे ऊंचे लगोगे बैठने के बाद भी हाँ किसको हाँ of course sir you come and sit here sir you sit here क्राफ्ट तो दिया ही है क्राफ्ट में तो इनसे बड़ा कोई है ही नहीं but my writers both Abhishek and Ankur have done such unbelievable work with me on this film and I'm missing my DOP who is a Japanese lady Kiko Nakahara. She's not here. She called me from Japan and she said I'm missing you so much, please give my love to everybody because with the subject like that it was very important to have the crew like that who will protect Tanvi from in the film.
The man leading all of them is हटके of course तो ये तो होना ही था ना सर कमाल का इस पूरी टीम के लिए एक बार जोरदार तालियां हो जाए of course they are the people जिन्होंने ये जो अभी हमने बड़े पर्दे पे देखा उसको आप तक पहुंचाया है and now yeah it's your turn so where are we getting the first question from पीछे से जी
Hello. Hi, this is Akash Parkar of your first media interaction. I'm happy I'm getting that chance again.
Oh.
So I really wanted to ask you that this is your first film, but you are also getting to represent a community that doesn't get that much representation on screen. So along with the pressure of being it your first film, does the pressure and the responsibility of giving an authentic representation to them that people
मेरे बच्चे पहली फिल्म है बच्ची की पहली फिल्म में इतना खबर उसकी परफॉर्मेंस की तारीफ करो ये ऐसे सवाल जो है मेरे से भी मत पूछो प्यार से पूछो हमें आपकी इंटेलिजेंस के बारे में थोड़ा सोचना है इस समय अच्छा सा सवाल पूछो बेटा ऐसा मत करो मुझे डराओ मत इसको ये 6 महीने से प्रैक्टिस कर रही मेरे से मैं सवाल पूछेंगे मैं कैसे जवाब दूंगी यू नो व्हाट शी यूज्ड टू डू शी यूज्ड टू मेक ऑल ऑफ अस सिट मेरा एक मॉक इंटरव्यू करो ना प्लीज और इन्होंने हरमन वेयर इज हरमन डिसूजा माय प्रोड्यूसर एंड माय ब्रदर दे आर ऑल प्रोड्यूसर्स हियर एंड एंडी प्लीज कम एंडी कम सो हरमन की जगह उन्होंने बोला बाकी सब तो अच्छे थे मगर मुझे हनुमान जी से बहुत डर लगता मैंने हनुमान जी का हरमन को इन्होंने हनुमान बोल दिया थोड़ा सिंपल क्वेश्चन पूछ मेरे बच्चे मत ऐसा डरा मत
So I'll just ask you, do you consider it a privilege to get that chance to kind of represent that community?
Hi Akash and hello everybody. Thank you for coming. Yes, it's more than a privilege. I think it is. I keep telling sir and everybody that I think this is my second birth. So it's a very big chance, and I'm still processing everything every day that's happening in my life regarding the movie. I'm still processing. It's more than a dream. It is now a reality, but it's a very big privilege. And I thank God. I thank my family, and I thank Anupam sir. Thank you so much for believing in me. And for actor prepares, yes, thank you. And Herman sir also is here. No.
Okay. Anupam sir, आपसे पूछना था that the film has got so much love internationally already. So does that validates that the universality of the story की सब connect करें?
Komal will agree with me that the box office has to be great. You know, no, why I went abroad and sort of brought the recognition to the film because when you make a film something like this and with the help of people like Anil और मैं जब suddenly Anil का point of view was very valid. I had made a longer film. That's why we've not decided on the OTT platform as yet. We want the audience to come on Flare, and that's why I think people over here will spread the word and audience will come in. It's important and बाहर इसीलिए करा कि ताकि वहाँ से तारीफ मिलती है तो यहाँ के लोग बड़े इम्प्रेस होते हैं कि अरे इनको अच्छी लगी है but at the end of it a film people make choices these days to watch a film and for a film like this these stalwarts over here they've done amazing work the music is so soul searching so soul stirring it's a musical there are 9 songs in the film and they have given their life to this film I'm very fortunate and hopefully the audience will come and make it their film because it's a film about not necessarily autism. It's a film about hope. It's a film about goodness. It's a film about love. and unfortunately or fortunately or strangely we learn it from an autistic person.
I think it's a complete package, the film, from what we can gauge from the trailer. I think सब कुछ बहुत सही तरीके से आया है मिलके. And lastly, I want to ask Karan, your debut on the big screen, like a big step for you as well. So how much nervousness, excitement, and all is there, because it's there has been so much anticipation regarding it, but finally it's happening. How is it feeling?
Good morning and good afternoon, everyone. It is so nice to come to a press conference which is so flooded with the press. So thank you so much. I know how much this means to Anupam sir and to all of us as a team. It's definitely nerve-wracking. You know, I feel like I've been working for the last 16 years, but every time you have a release of any kind, it puts you really, really anxious. While sir, मैं theatre से नहीं हूँ, but हाथ पाँव मेरे भी बड़े ठंडे हो जाते हैं. मैं सर को ये पकड़ के कहता हूँ, सर आपके भी हाथ ठंडे हैं. पर बड़ा अच्छा लगता है कि मैं एक्चुअली जब मैं नीचे बैठा था और मैं एमएम साहब को परफॉर्म करते हुए देख रहा था और मैंने फिर पोस्टर देखा ना, आई सॉ द लाइन ऑफ पीपल दैट आई वाज सिटिंग विद. और वाकई मैं अपने करियर में अपने आप को बड़ा शुक्रगुजार समझता हूँ कि मुझे ऐसा एक मौका मिला जहाँ मैं एक पोस्टर शेयर कर सकता हूँ अनुपम खेर जी के साथ, बमन ईरानी के साथ, नासिर साहब के साथ, विद जैकी दादा, एंड ऑफ कोर्स फिल्म दैट हैज म्यूजिक ऑफ एमएम सर. सो it doesn't feel that I must have done something right. I just really feel very privileged for that respect and that honor, sir. And I remember when sir called me about a year and a half ago, and he narrated the concept to me. और मेरे को पहले दिन ही सर ने म्यूजिक सुनाया था. आई वॉज रियली सोल्ड एंड आई टोल्ड हिम, मैं आपके साथ बस काम करना चाहता हूँ, बाकी क्या होगा हम we'll figure that through the course of it. And today I feel very, very happy and very moved, quite frankly, when I saw the trailer myself. So thank you, sir. A huge round of applause, guys, for Anupam Kher, because we all know how much love he's put in this, and truly he means it when he says that this film is made with all heart and all love, because that's how he is as a man himself. So thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
और मैं आप सबको ये कहना चाहता हूँ कि ट्रेलर ऐसा है तो पिक्चर क्या कमाल होगी. So my question, and I'm very happy that my writer friend Ankur, he got me here, and ये देखा मैंने, I'm completely bowled over. और सर आपसे मैं ये पूछना चाहता हूँ अनुपम सर कि इतनी खूबसूरती से, I'm also nervous right now speaking because I'm just speechless. आप लोगों ने, तीनों राइटर्स ने मिलके किस तरह से इसको बुना है, वो थोड़ी सी जर्नी के बारे में बताएं, because it's absolutely fantastic and fantabulous.
So because I wanted autism to be represented as a superpower, which my niece is, which Adi is, they're superpowers. I think we look at them oddly because we think that we are perfect, but they look at us oddly कि कैसे अजीब और गरीब लोग हैं. तो जब मैंने पहले अभिषेक को ऑर्डर बताया था इसके बारे में, ऊंचाई के राइटर थे मेरे साथ, तो मैंने इनको सुनाया. फिर अंकुर के साथ मैंने कागज़ 2 में काम किया था. वी वांटेड टू get into a situation where this autistic girl comes from an army family and discovers that father did not die as a hero and decides to join army, which Indian army does not take autistic people. So it's already a difficult job.
Absolutely.
And then what happens? So I think we've had work for 1 year. आज ही अभिषेक ने मैसेज भेजा कि आज से 1.5-2 साल पहले हम पहली बार बैठे थे गोवा में. So गोवा, दिल्ली, हम सब काफी करते हैं. But we had a picnic. We had a blast working in this film. मतलब joy working in this film. Everything. We've shot in Lansdowne, which is an actual cantonment area. We were there for 55 years. We were 55 years, नहीं 55 months. No. शांत हो जा बेटा, शांत हो जा. ट्रेलर की तारीफ हो रही है, इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि तेरा दिमाग खराब हो जाए. चुप कर. 55 days. Shamek, I'm so happy. And Raj has sung one of my most favorite songs also in the film. It's wonderful. Thank you so much, Raj. So I think it's our job to do it. But when you do it with, let's have fun. Let's enjoy. We did not craft the script. We just poured in whatever we had. And Roz Sham ko Jaggu, and we used to play Damshrats every evening. We used to eat together. Nobody will go to their room. We lived like a family for those 55 days. And I think sometimes Ingmar Bergman, जो स्वीडिश डायरेक्टर बोलते थे, sometimes the love in the unit shows on the screen, and I think that's what is there. Thank you. Yes, please go.
Hello.
So every time, like since I'm like growing up, I used to come sit right there, and always whenever, because I used to love watching movies. I still love watching movies, but I used to just, my first instinct, my first thought used to always be, "Main kab aungi? When will I see?" And even my family, my uncle is here, my brother, my aunt, and you know, I used to always tell them कि मैं कब आऊँगी? When will like I see myself? And they are like, हमारी भी यही दुआ है बेटा, हमें भी तुझे screen पे ही देखना है. So this is just, it's very overwhelming. The experience with everybody, they were all like family, you know. Initially I used to feel, because they are such big stars, you know, and I've always seen their acting and I look up to them, you know, Jackie sir, Baman sir, Pallavi ma'am, Anupam sir, so many people, and just like looking up to them. Initially, every scene, my first scenes with them, I used to get a little intimidated, and more than that, starstruck, like awestruck, because they were so good, and I was like, how am I supposed to? I used to tell sir, "Sir, मैं कैसे करूँ?" And then just believe in yourself, just focus. And then he used to motivate me by saying, "What is the name of the movie?" I used to say, "Tanvi the Great." "Who's playing Tanvi?" I said, "Me." Like, "Then that's it, go. Kill it." And I think, yeah, so I think that really worked. So I really thank my stars and these stars. So yeah, that's all.
Thank you.
Thank you.
My next question is to Jackie sir. Jackie sir, if I may please. Hi sir, यहाँ पे
क्या लोड?
All good sir, thank you so much. Sir, हाउसफुल के बाद हमने आपको डायरेक्टली यहाँ पे देखा है. Quite different characters. And we have all seen you being very teary and moved. शूटिंग के दौरान ऐसा कुछ हुआ है जो दैट स्टेड विद यू प्रॉब्ली, जहाँ पे यू ऑल्सो मूव्ड अ लिटिल? आपने अपने शहर के म्यूजिक सुन के श्योरली आप दोनों नदियाँ बहा रहे थे, तो शूटिंग के दौरान ऐसा कुछ हुआ है?
जहाँ पे भी हर शॉट दिया उसके अंदर सोल स्टरिंग ही था बड़ू, पूरा अंदर का तार हिल रहा था. गिटार का तार होता है ना, वैसा. बहुत खूबसूरत मौका मिला कि अनुपम जी के साथ काम करने का. मेरा दोस्त बहुत पुराना चावल है. We've been there together since I remember. I like his family, I love his family. The family loves me more than he does me. Papa loved me hell of a lot. Mama loves me hell of a lot. So for me, तो घर में ही था मैं. मेरे को कोई टेंशन था नहीं. संभालने वाला ये था. मेरे को तो करना ही था. मगर it stirred me, man. It really moved me a lot. Yeah.
One last question to current times. Is there anything, any kind of a biopic that we'll see you in uniform again very soon?
While yes, you know, I do play Captain Pratap Rana, Samar Pratap Rana here, and he is also in uniform from the other things that I've done. But for me, I'll be very honest, I feel the job of the character is very by the way. For me, it's always trying to find the human inside that uniform. And that's what I've done with this. As far as playing a biopic after this is concerned, well, you never know. As and when that time comes, I think, you know, I'd like to talk about that. Today is for Tanvi the Great, and I couldn't be happier to be a part of such a sensitively told narrative. Yeah.
I want to ask Kausar ji, because Kausar has played a very important role. Bhavna ji,
So
I
my
think you
question
were...
is for
Sorry.
Kausar. You are wonderful as a lyricist. I absolutely love and respect your work. And I love the songs for this movie too. So I'm very curious that you came up with such appropriate words for an autistic girl to sing.
Thank you, Bhavna ji. What was very interesting in this journey was actually the process. जैसे कि Irwani said, पहले बता रहे थे when he was before he performed that of course beautiful music is made now, but the process is kind of become mechanical, where the melody is made somewhere and then you either listen to the narration or you read the script और फिर आप लिखते हो जो भी है यहाँ पे. और ये पूरा टोन अनुपम सर ने सेट किया था. वो हम दोनों मिलके हैदराबाद जाते थे और वहाँ पे प्रॉपर सिटिंग्स होती थी जिसमें हम सिचुएशन के बारे में बात करते थे, वो हमें तन्वी के बारे में समझाते थे, वो कैरेक्टर के बारे में, ऑटिज़म के बारे में, और फिर कीरवानी सर कहते थे लंच में क्या खाओगे, वो बहुत ज़रूरी था और वो बहुत ही बढ़िया खाना बनवाते थे. सो आई थिंक दैट प्रोसेस where you're involved in the story, in the character, and as human beings who are going through a creative process together, that was the magic that I went through with this film, which is very rare nowadays. वो आपको WhatsApp पे धुन आ जाती है और आपके inbox में script आ जाती है. And I will always be grateful to both these wonderful gentlemen. And वो अनुपम सर अपना white shirt और jeans पहन के मुझसे आधे घंटे पहले एयरपोर्ट पे मिल जाते थे मुझको, and that was wonderful, and I really miss that. And I think yes, it's the beauty of the process and of these wonderfully very creative but also very humane people that I think became what it became.
So
Gautam plays a very important role.
Hi everyone. Thank you, sir. I'm Gautam Ahuja and I'm playing Jackie sir's son in the film. I'm playing Max, and I am really nervous right now. I'm sorry for that. I just want to say thank you so much, Anupam sir, for liking my audition, for getting me on board, and for always being there. More than a director, to be really honest, as a supporting force, because I remember very vividly this one time what happened where there was something happening on set and it was taking a lot of time, and sir said abhi jitna jaldi karna hai kar lo, main apne actors ko jaldi karne nahi bolunga, and that really stayed with me. And apart from that, Jackie sir, you have actually kind of played off my father even off set. Right now also outside you were there supporting me, pushing me ahead, telling me chupna mat. It means a lot to me, and Shwangi, you have done a great job, and it's एक last चीज, sir, it really means a lot to me to be standing here with all of you, and I will never forget this day. Thank you so much.
Okay, we're taking one last question from that. जी. नहीं, मैंने डायरेक्ट ही करना चाहता था, मैं ही बनाना चाहता था इसको, बिकॉज मैं जो मेरी तन्वी है उसी को देख के दिमाग में आइडिया आया था. और इसी जब आपकी पटरी ठीक चल रही होती है तो आप उसको हिलने नहीं देते हैं, मगर अगर ग्रो करना है तो आपको ऐसे चैलेंजेस लेने ही पड़ते हैं. वरना क्या है, मैं 70 साल का हूँ अभी, मुझे लगता है कि 20 साल और काम करूँगा तो मैं उसी डर्रे पे चल सकता हूँ. बट आई लाइक टू टेक चैलेंजेस वेयर लाइफ मेक्स इट डिफिकल्ट फॉर मी, एंड इट्स ओनली बिकॉज व्हेन यू मेक इट डिफिकल्ट फॉर योरसेल्फ दैट यू कैन कम अप विद समथिंग होपफुली एज ब्यूटीफुल एज दिस इज.
सेकंड क्वेश्चन मेरा पल्लवी मैम के लिए रहेगा. पल्लवी मैम, मेरी आपसे बात हुई थी तो आपने एक फिल्म के बारे में बताया था, काफ़ी इमोशनल फिल्म है और आपके लिए कई सीन्स ऐसे रहे जहाँ पे बहुत ज़्यादा इमोशनल कर देने वाले रहे. बट मैं ऑन द सेट ऐसे मोमेंट जानना चाहूँगा जो आपके लिए सबसे ज़्यादा इमोशनल रहे.
इस फिल्म में वैसे देखा, नमस्ते एवरीवन, मुझे बहुत देर के बाद बोलने का मौका मिला है, एंड थैंक यू फॉर आस्किंग मी द क्वेश्चन. एक्चुअली सारे सीन इस फिल्म में, जहाँ तक मेरे सीन है, वो सब इमोशनली थे. और जब अनुपम जी ने मुझे स्क्रिप्ट सुनाई थी सबसे पहले, तो आई लव द कैरेक्टर. पर सबसे ज़्यादा मज़ा मुझे आता था सेट पे, बिकॉज आई थिंक बिटवीन द टू ऑफ अस हम लोग शूटिंग कम और वर्कशॉप ज़्यादा चलाते थे वहाँ पे. सो आफ्टर एवरी शॉट अनुपम जी वुड कम एंड ही वुड से कि थोड़ा इसको अलग ढंग से कर लेते हैं, थोड़ा इस तरह से कर लेते हैं. सो आई थिंक वी वेंट थ्रू एवरी सीन with a lot of interpretations, and that was, I think, the most brilliant thing that an actor can ask for.
पल्लवी, आपको तो फिर भी ऐसा बोलता, जब मैं कृति को ऐसा बोलता था ना, मैं डांस नहीं कर सकता बिल्कुल भी, तो कृति पूरा तैयार करके आती थी, तो उसको बोलता था नहीं इसको थोड़ा सा स्टेप चेंज कर लें, तो एक दिन बोलती दिखाओ कैसे. I think we should, but I want to also say my team from Excel and my team, digital team, and my PR team and my उन्होंने मुझे लगता है कि मुझको ऐसा महसूस नहीं कराया. विशाल, थैंक यू ऑल्सो फॉर दैट, व्हेनेवर वी हैव स्पोकन टू ईच अदर. ऐसा महसूस नहीं कराया कि मैं किसी बिजनेस एसोसिएट से बात कर रहा हूँ. उन्होंने मुझे ऐसा महसूस कराया कि one human being is talking to another human being whose heart beats and heart beats for something so beautiful. आनंद, तेरा रोल छोटा सा था, मेरा तू you came all the way to that place and you were so wonderful. I had to cut your role. There was one scene, but I promised you outside that you will get a bigger role in my film. But thank you for coming all the way just to do that one scene. You were so wonderful. This is what Anand was my roommate. You see, also I've collected people who were my roommate. My mother is here. Mother says, अच्छा मैं बोलूँ कुछ. मैंने कहा नहीं, कहती मैं नहीं कुछ बोलूँगी फिर नज़र लग जाएगी. So Raju, thank you and everybody thank you. I can feel मेरे योगेश जी यहाँ पर हैं. योगेश जी आप मंच पे क्यों नहीं आ रहे हैं? आप तो खुद ही आ जाते हैं. मगर आप आइए ना प्लीज. योगेश जी के लिए तालियां हमारी यहाँ पर.
राइट आउटडोर से योगेश लखानी साहब.
लखानी जी तो इनके बगैर कुछ नहीं होता हमारी इंडस्ट्री में. ही इज सो वंडरफुल. मैंने तो इनके बायोपिक के राइट्स भी ले लिए हैं बिकॉज इट विल बी द मोस्ट अमेजिंग स्टोरी ऑफ हिम. द ग्रोथ ऑफ दिस गाय. You see, we look at him and we laugh. Sometimes we smile because that's his persona. But I think the growth of this man from where he started and where he has reached is really inspirational. Thank you. And thank you everybody. Thank you Bhavna. Thank you Komal, my old friends. And spread the word. That is what is important.
Anupam sir, I'm so sorry to interrupt. बस एक वहाँ से सवाल जाने के लिए.
I will congratulate और बहुत सारी बधाई भी दूँ. और मुझे इस बात की खुशी भी है कि ये ट्रेलर बहुत अच्छा लगा और हर मोमेंट इट मेड मी माई आईज फुल ऑफ टीयर्स. एक बात इस मौके पे कहना चाहूँगी. मेरा अपना ग्रैंडसन, ही इज़ 3.5 years old नाउ. जब वो 1 साल का पूरा हो गया तब भी कोई वर्ड बोल नहीं रहा था. इन अ पीरियड ऑफ सर्टन टाइम वी अप्रोच द डॉक्टर्स, साइकोलॉजिस्ट, and they said ki there could be chances that he is autistic. Fortunately he has only mild spectrum of autism, not full autism. but मैं दावे के साथ कह सकती हूँ कि इस फिल्म ने मुझे बड़ी प्रेरणा दी है. अच्छा लगा और आई एम श्योर कि दिस फिल्म विल बी मोटिवेट the entire people whose kids or their closer relatives they has this spectrum of autism. किरवानी साहब, आपको मैं बधाई देना चाहती हूँ. Can you say some more details what were the challenges to compose the music of this film? And my question to Pallavi as well, can you share some more memories and some more facts on your visit to Cannes?
नमस्ते जी. ये कहना चाहता हूँ that to bring a story about a girl who cannot manipulate in her world to this level, from story writing to this release level, it needs a lot of manipulations. That's what we did. We did a lot of manipulations, me and Anupam ji. It has to be like that because it's a world of perspectives. We walked in Tanvi's shoes. That's how we did it. But in the process, we have to be ourselves, and it requires a lot of manipulation. You know how the world operates. It's a big story I want to share after the release of the movie. Thank you very much.
I must tell you a small story. Sorry, पहले आप जवाब दीजिए. नहीं आप बताइए. कांस का एक्सपीरियंस हमारे लिए इम्पोर्टेंट है. कांस गए थे
तो कांस का एक्सपीरियंस हमारा बहुत अच्छा रहा बिकॉज सब लोग साथ थे. तो एक तो जो शूटिंग के वक्त माहौल था वो उससे ज़्यादा रिलैक्स था क्योंकि स्क्रिप्ट याद नहीं करनी थी, लाइनें बोलने नहीं थी. तो इसलिए वी वर ऑल एंड वी ऑल्सो न्यू दैट वी हैव अ गुड फिल्म ऑन हैंड ऑल्दो we hadn't seen the film क्योंकि अनुपम जी ने हम में से किसी को फिल्म दिखाई नहीं थी. So there was that sense of थोड़ा सा कि क्या होने वाला है, कैसे लगेगी फिल्म. But when we saw it that day at Cannes when it premiered, तो एक इमोशन जो हम सबका मेरे ख्याल से आपस में हमने शेयर किया वो ये था कि पूरी फिल्म में हम रो रहे थे लेकिन पूरी फिल्म में हमारे चेहरे पर एक स्माइल भी थी. And we were laughing, we were smiling, and we were crying at the same time. And these two emotions to capture them together in one frame, I think as a director, it's hats off to Anupam ji for making that happen, not just in one or two scenes, but throughout the film. So I think what Jagudas said, he said a very good word. He said the film is soul cleansing. And I think that's exactly what it is. You said it so well.
I'll just share आपके बात से मुझे एक बात बताना चाहता था कि मैं हमेशा से कीको नाकाहारा को अपनी डीओपी लेना चाहता था. तो शूटिंग से 7-8 महीने पहले मैंने उनको फ़ोन किया. उन्होंने कहा मिस्टर खेर आई एम बिजी बिकॉज आई एम इन जापान एंड आई कैन नॉट शूट. फिर मैंने कोशिश की. फिर मैंने उनको जब शूटिंग नज़दीक आने लगी फिर मैंने कहा यार नहीं मैं फ़ोन करता हूँ फिर देखता हूँ. तो 3 मिस्ड कॉल मैंने एक ही दिन में उनको दी. फिर उनका 3-4 घंटे बाद उनका फ़ोन आया. तो उन्होंने कहा कि ओह मिस्टर का यू आर वेरी परसिस्टेंट. बोलिए व्हाट इज़ द स्टोरी ऑफ द फिल्म. सो आई सेड इट्स द स्टोरी ऑफ अ गर्ल हु शोज ऑटिज्म एज अ सुपर पावर. शी सेड आई एम डूइंग योर फिल्म. पूरी कहानी नहीं सुनी. तो फिर वो आ गई. फिर जब हम लोकेशन हंटिंग कर रहे थे तो एक दिन मैंने उससे पूछा कि केको व्हाई डिड यू सॉर्ट ऑफ. शी सेड लेट मी टेल यू स्टोरी. शी सेड व्हेन यू फर्स्ट called me up, I was 9 months pregnant. So I couldn't have done the film. When you later called me up, my son was 3 months old and my sister said, he's not looking at you while you are doing hello, hello, beta. So I had gone to the doctor and doctor said that he has autistic spectrum. And when I came home, there were 3 missed calls from you. And you said this is the story. I thought there was hope for my son and I wanted to do this. बहुत सारे इस फिल्म में किस्से जुड़े हैं. बहुत सारे लोग जो हमको मिले हैं. इन्होंने जो जादू किया में से जो आदमी यहाँ बैठा है जो चुपचाप इन्होंने जब साउंड मिक्स करते थे तो फिर ये मुझे बोलते थे फ़ोन करके या मैसेज. ये भी ही इज़ ऑल्सो अ मैन ऑफ फ्यू वर्ड्स. Okay, nice, fine, etc. But one day he called me. He said that interview scene, there's a scene. He really made me cry. Would you like to say something? Not about the scene, but.
No, the general impression that everybody is giving about the film is very melancholic. I think it started with Keeravani. Your singing has made the whole thing very melancholic start, and everybody's like dwelling on it. I would say the film is not melancholic. The film is not about disability. The film is about celebration of life. It's a very, very uplifting film. I think that's what we need to put it out. And in every boardrooms when we sit and talk, what is happening in Hindi films, what kind of films are working, what kind of films are not working. I think what moved away from Hindi cinema in the last 10 years is that directors who believe in their subject and directors who's passionate about making what they're believing in, finding the resources to do it, finding the people to assemble and stand by them. I think Tanvi the Great is a film like that, and that's what the need of the hour as a film enthusiast and a filmmaker and a person who has been working in the industry for the last more than 25 years. I feel this film is going to be a turning point for Hindi cinema, because here is a film that the director totally believed in, and corporate said Excel sheets are not working, and these numbers are not working. These people don't make any sense. These people can't bring in enough money, bring people to the theater. But eventually, what comes, people come to theater is for the film, for the story, and what moves them, what stays them glued them to the seats. That's what this man has done. And hats off to you, sir. And he did one more thing. From Magdira to Bahubali, we missed working each other, and he made it happen for me. Thank you.
दो चीजें. हाँ जी सर. I would like to remind you and everybody sitting here that your interest towards the subject was seen 20 years back. When you used to visit Dilkhush School.
Yes.
And used to work with the kids with this Down syndrome and autism. Working with them for nearly more than 2 to 3 years.
Yeah, I used to teach
them. You used to go them early morning. You used to be with them till the evening. And this entire idea, I'm sure, must have been developed that time. Because ये अभी की बात नहीं है, ये 20-25 साल पहले से आपका इंटरेस्ट इस सब्जेक्ट में रहा है. And you as a human being and a person was always towards people who were from the weaker section and some people who needed something. Secondly, the reason why this film is also going to be a very big hit As a technician, I would like to tell you that आज तक हमने किसी भी फिल्म के ट्रेलर लॉन्च पे या प्रीमियर्स में या प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस में पूरी टेक्नीशियंस के साथ टीम को हमने देखा नहीं आज तक. The first time we are seeing the entire team, the writers, the music directors, the composers, the singers, the editors, the choreographers together talking about the film. And this teamwork is going to make a film one of the biggest success of the year.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you, Ashok ji. I'll end up with two people have to speak. One is telling me silently not to ask me anything, that's Kruti. And one, आप सोच रहे होंगे कि इस फिल्म में रॉड का क्या काम है? हैं? सर, आपने क्या किया इस फिल्म में?
मैंने बहुत कुछ किया है. It's a very great experience working with Akhil sir. I met him on Vijay 69. I used to work as a stuntman. I saw him a lot of time. But हमारा कभी ऐसा आपस में इतनी बातचीत नहीं हुई थी. When I was action director for Vijay 69, there was few shots which I designed for him. Then he told me he's doing a film. So I told sir, you call me anytime, I'll come to work. And जो रसूल सर ने एक बात बोली थी, बहुत अच्छी बात बोली थी कि मैं भी उनसे बहुत स्लम डॉग मिलियनर के बाद मिल रहा हूँ. So we worked with him so many years after him. So खेल साहब ने मुझे एक चीज़ अच्छा लगा था कि उन्होंने स्क्रिप्ट के हिसाब से काम करने बोला था. उन्होंने कभी मुझे ये नहीं बोला था मुझे इस फिल्म का रेफरेंस के हिसाब से काम करना है. मेरी फिल्म में मुझे ऐसा चाहिए. That makes something like a creator, as a director who believes himself, not looking to others people work and saying, even मैं इसकी जैसे बनाऊं फिल्म. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. अंकुर क्या या नहीं आप ये लिखते हैं.
Hello everyone. Anupam sir, I just love you. And I do not think of all the directors that I've worked with on all the sets that I've been on. Only on this set did I feel conviction. Did I feel that there is a process to creation and something that belief system कैसे काम करता है, religion कैसे काम करता है, लेकिन उस belief system से ये create करना I've not seen on any other set and I've been on a few sets. And Tanvi के narration के time पे sir had called me and there were only tears and it's not melancholic but in a genuinely very we forget to get inspired these days and I think films are not inspirational anymore but this story was so inspirational that as a human being, I wanted to just be on this set and just get completely inspired. I didn't know that there was such beautiful people on this set and every day was just a process of inspiration of getting just moved by people, by emotions, by moments. And I think the most amazing part of this film is Shubhangi. I think she was blessed, but she also poured her heart out to everybody and everything that was around her. And I've also been a part of montages, but this film has given me so much more as a technician than I have given to the film. So thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you. That's wonderful. हमारे जो colorist हैं, जो
सर राइट है, सर राइट है, दादा राइट.
So, we'll do a couple of solos. Before that, Bhavna ma'am wants to do some. Yes, we would want to do the honors. Shreyas?
दादा 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 पेड़ लगाओ.
Thank you, Bhavna ma'am. Shubhangi, come with the team. Karan sir, please आइए. Pallavi ma'am, please be here. सर ये कास्ट की एक बार 5 लोग की पल्लवी ma'am. Come, आइए.
लेफ्ट से सर, लेफ्ट से सर, राइट से सर, राइट से.
दादा राइट
We do solos again.
यस यस पल्लवी जहाँ पे पल्लवी राइट है दादा आ जाओ दादा राइट दादा दादा राइट में साथ में अनुपम जी साथ में राइट राइट अनुपम जी सोलो यहाँ पे शिवांगी यहाँ पे थैंक यू करने राइट यार
चलो कुछ खाना पीना नहीं है ना जल्दी चल रहे हैं
रुको रुको
हर मजा आने
अरे रुको यार तुम जल्दी में हो गए
सुन जाने
10 सेकंड ले लो
हाँ नितिन का सोलो
15 सेकंड लेने दो बस कोको नाका है